How's it going, everybody? It is May 31st, last day of the month. I'm going to do a quick update, and as you saw in the title, I'm going to give you guys an update on the product that received the Amazon's Choice tag, and that would have been on the 19th. So about 2 weeks or so ago. So we'll see. I'll discuss that in a little more detail, but for now, I just want to show you guys the quick sales update of the US market and every other market, just to show you kind of what's going on and where I'm sitting right now with about 24 hours to go. So my US sales, I'm at 251 as of right now. And like I said, all I have left is today. $4,520.31 in sales, which equals to $759.85 in royalties, and that's about $3.05 in royalties per sale. This is a little lower than I would like it to be, but as you can see here, I have sold 55 pop sockets, and that really brings my royalty numbers down, because my royalties per sale are 225 on average, and I have a few pop sockets listed that are probably around $1.50 or maybe just under $2 in royalties per sale. So that really brings the numbers down. In addition to those numbers, the total sales right now look great, and hopefully this loads quickly. There it is. And when I say great, and if you've seen my previous video, they look great because this is one of the best months in the US since, and let's scroll back together, since March 2021. And if today I get 8 more sales in the US, which I doubt if I'm looking at the history of last week, and I'll show you in a second what I mean. If I beat the 259, we're going back to November of 2020. So 2 years, I haven't had this kind of sales minus these 2 months in the US. And especially this year, like 2022 has really been kind of, I don't know what I would call it, like struggling. Like there's been a significant drop off in October 2021, and then it never bounced back. So this is the first month that's actually breaking out of that 200 and 203 range. So that in itself is good. Now, what I was mentioning a second ago, this is what I was saying. The reason I don't believe that I'm going to get 8 more sales is because my average since last Thursday has been just 6 or 7. So it's hard to believe that I'm going to get 9 today, but you know what? I could. Last Tuesday I got 11. So if that happens, then we're going into 2020, and that means that sales are looking great. Let me see what I can show you. Let's just go into analytics here. I want to show you this month's total so far, just very quickly, before we get into the Amazon's Choice tag, and then I'll give you the answer or the verdict for the question. Does it help? Some people are saying it helps a lot. Some people are saying it makes no difference. And I'm going to show you my experience. But so far, I'm sitting at 356 sales overall. And as you can see here, like if this gets to $800 in royalties, I'm looking at a healthy 1,000 US dollars in royalties this month, which again, anytime I get that 1,000 plus is great. Usually I'm hovering between 800 to 1,000, maybe 1,100, but in the last couple of months I haven't been cracking that 1,000, so this will be great. Now let's get into the quick update on the Amazon's Choice. So I found the Amazon's Choice tag on the 19th, and the reason I know the exact date is because it's one of my best sellers, and I check that listing out regularly, because in the past I like they keep putting on the Amazon Choice tag, taking it off. So this time I actually decided to track it for you guys, and here we go. 5. This is the product. You can't see it, but you can see how many sales. 5 sales since, here we go, since the 19th. So I think it actually has made it worse, if that's possible. And this morning I checked and the tag is no longer there. So it was there for about 2 weeks. And in those 2 weeks, it generated 5 sales. That's it. This is one of here it is. So in the last 30 days, I've had 15 sales of that product. But in the last 2 weeks, since they put on the Amazon's Choice tag, I've had 5. That means that I've received 10 sales in the last in the 15 days prior to me getting the Amazon's Choice tag. That means that the sales were actually better on average during a 2 week period before I got the tag than after I got the tag. So that, for those of you that are saying they are useless, they're pointless. I've had different experiences in the past with other products where my sales just spiked and went through the roof, but that also depends on the terminology that it's tagged for. So for example, if it's something, maybe specific for a product that really, really sells, then you're going to see your sales increase. If it's something a little more general for a product that doesn't really sell that much, and then they tag it, as something completely random, I think this will happen. So again, first 2 weeks of the month, no tag, 10 sales. Last 2 weeks of the month with the tag, 5 sales. You can take that any way you want. Anyways, last day of the month, I'm going to do another monthly update for you guys, most likely tomorrow. I think it's going to be exciting. We'll see what the total numbers are look like. For anybody who's asking, I get this question all the time, am I running ads? No, all of this is organic. I've been talking about ads for a while. I'm just not ready, just because it takes time. I've been busy with so many other things. So this is kind of like, all I'm doing right now is uploading products every single day. I've hit 10,000 designs. I put out a video yesterday, and you know what? Right now I'm feeling good. So we'll see, where we go from here. Next month it's going to be awesome. I hope, June, July, we're getting into the, slower months historically, but I don't know. We'll see. It doesn't mean much if you actually, if your sales keep increasing and you keep putting out as many, new interesting designs as possible. Anyways, I'll wrap it up here. Thank you guys. I'll talk to you soon.